The principles and procedures shown can be used for almost every duct system. This video demonstration can be used as your tool to build your own duct cleaning business. Let's review the 20-step procedure. 1. Walk through the job to plan an approach. 2. Make sure the system is turned off. 3. Split system to isolate supply from return. 4. Zone off if necessary. 5. Cover registers. 6. Connect PowerVac to supply and your furnace. 7. Air sweep all supply ductwork starting with the furthest point and working toward PowerVac. 8. Brush if necessary. 9. Vacuum coil. 10. Connect PowerVac to return. 11. Cover grills. 12. Air sweep return system. 13. Brush if necessary. 14. Air wash motor and blower. 15. Sanitize if necessary. 16. Remove all zoning and covers. 17. Reset the dampers. 18. Reseal all holes. 19. Restart the system. 20. Run through one complete cycle. This video was developed by Abatement Technologies to provide a basic understanding of the tools and procedures used in duct cleaning. It is not meant to be a comprehensive training vehicle. Abatement Technologies would like to thank you for purchasing our equipment. Should you have any questions about the contents of this video or about your equipment, please don't hesitate to contact your area representative or to call us directly at 1-800-634-9091. We'll be pleased to assist you.